about this tabs over here, then we'll end this video. The first thing is zoom to fit. For zoom to fit, assuming to zoom, you use your mouse scroll. When you move the scroll forward, it increases. When you move it back, it decreases. So the proximity you want, then you select. Assuming you don't know where your part is, you don't know where it is, so you don't know where to zoom from. Okay, once you click on zoom to fit, it automatically sizes the part you are drawing for you. That's with the zoom to fit. Then the second one is zoom to area. So assuming a certain part is very small and you want to focus on that part, you can use the zoom to fit. You click it, then you left click on the surface and drag it, so it zooms to that very portion. You drag it again, zoom to that very portion, drag it again, as many times as possible. Okay, let's go back to the normal size. So zoom to fit again. So this is with the zoom to fit. If you want to leave or escape from this command, you just press escape on your keyboard, then you exit from the zoom tool. You also have the section tool. The section tool enables you to split the surface. So let's take, for instance, I want to section this. I want to see the inner part of it. Once I select the section, this is what happens. You see, it has section, it has make a cut, but the cut is too deep, so you are not seeing the other part. Once you make the cut, you can choose to rotate the part by using your scroll. So you press the scroll button. It gives you the ability to rotate. Okay, it gives you the ability to rotate. So once it rotates to the position you want, then you release it. You can decrease the depth of the cut by dragging this. Okay, so you see what? So this cut is performed on this blue plane. So once you move it back, it begins to give you the cut. So assuming there was a hole here and you want to actually see it well, you'll be able to see it from the depth of the cut you make. The section view, yes, the depth of the section view. You can also choose to rotate this plane by rotating the side. Okay, so once you rotate it, you see it has changed. Once you rotate it again here, it changes. Okay, so once you are okay, I want to use this, then I just accept. So now this is how my section has become. So this is the section of it, the section view of it. Then we have what we call the dynamic annotation view. For now, because we haven't gotten to a part that you can use it, so I would skip this. In later videos we'll talk about it later. Then we have the what we call view orientation. Assuming you want to view it in the isometric view, you just click on this, then gives you the chance to select how you want to view it. So if I want to view it from the top, I select the top. If I select it again, if I want to view it from the side, I select the side. If I want to view it in an isometric view, I just select this side. Okay, but all the same, your scroll button, if you hit on your scroll button and you turn it, it's able to give you the same thing. Okay, it's able to give you the same thing. You can view from this side. The scroll button is able to also give you the same thing. So this is how the view orientation behaves. Then the other thing is the display star. So under the display star, let me exit from the section view.